oil change time. If you don't know how to do an oil change, basically you drain the oil, you take off the filter, put a new filter on, put the bolt back in, fill it back up with the amount that it's supposed to have and the weight it's supposed to have, and then you're done. So we're going to do that. And so you, like me, may be wondering, where is the oil filter? Well, it is right down there. And as you can see, it's super easy to get to. So we're gonna find a way to loosen that and then see how you get the oil filter out. It looks like it just drops out the bottom, but we'll see. Now, as you can see, I got this really beautiful, fancy, expensive Fram filter down there, labeled at 98,000 miles. So whoever has this next knows that that's when it was done. Next is oil change, putting the oil in. So I got the good stuff, you know, some 5W30 high mileage. Even though it's only a 97,000 mile truck, we'll give it some high mileage, give us the extra special treatment. Pretty much this part is probably what everybody's done. If their car's ever been low on oil for anything, pop in there, take this guy off. Don't forget to put it on. It sprays oil everywhere if you forget to put it on. Not saying I've done that, but maybe know a guy who has. Somebody torqued this thing way down. That was way more than 3 Newton meters. Okay, that was good. Not just good, it was good and tight. That's German spec, they call it good and tight. You can quote me on that if you want. Okay, 4.5 quarts. This thing's got 5, so we just gotta leave a half quart in the bottom of the thing. As you can tell, patience is not my thing. I bought the fast flow nozzle version. It's got the pour spout on it. You can just funnel it all right in there. Oh, you're tipping over, I think, but I don't think you're gonna miss anything too exciting. What if they put the numbers on the bottom of this jug so you knew how many quarts you had? That would be smart. Just hold it at the right angle. That feels like 4.5. Let's check. Survey says. 4 1/10. Splash. How about now? Check her out. That looks like 4.5 quarts. Golden. Now this extra goes into my bonus oil filter, and eventually, for oil jug, eventually after you have enough of these half quarts, you get one for free. Alright, one of the last things I like to do is just start the truck up and check for leaks, make sure I don't have anything. Obviously I have a big puddle where I spilled oil being a dope back there, but we'll know that those are not leaks because I already know that's there. That's the way it is. Here it goes. And as you can see, no new drips, so we're good to go.